Yes, hello, my name is Gregor Tilch. I'm the Director of Instruction on Rio Pinar and owner of the Academy and the golf club. And this is Sophie Hausmann, 5-year EPSON Tour player, German national player, really high-end college player, and no, happy to see you here.
Yeah, thanks for having me. Thanks.
The next shots we're going to do a little bit working on a driver. Distance is always a big topic, to hit the ball longer. Also, getting always trajectory is always a big part what we work on, and there's also the big thing, I think, if you work a lot and you play a lot like you do, and she has a great work ethic, so she's a range rat, a lot of reps, so obviously it needs to be healthy. So we need to get those things together because you want to get faster, and instead of just going to the gym and maybe repeat and not really healthy movement, we need to make sure that from a biomechanic point that everything is healthy and you use your energy in the right way. So just hit it one, two shots, please.
Okay.
So you hit a couple balls before, and we took the numbers, measured them down, and if you go to P4 here, so you go here, you have pelvis sway, and then you have pelvis lift, so it's just a little bit down, yeah. So it's nearly a centimeter, and if you go further down the road, you're not really squatting a lot, and then you're lifting. So if we want to create more energy, yeah, and so there needs to be a little bit of a better squat and then lift. The problem is if you're not really squatting based on the data, you're not really squatting a lot, which obviously is a little bit of a lack of a power resource then for you, because it's just hard. If you don't squat a lot, it's hard to push out a lot. Yeah. But what I would love to see is that you try to really, if you squat a little bit more in the beginning of the downswing. Yeah. So if the club points to the ground here, that's where you squat most. That's where you load most into the ground, and then you go up more. Yeah. Okay. Just, I mean, that's a bit extended, but it's and that really for your feeling as well. You don't want to cross a line there, so you stay more like behind where you squat, and then you can go out a little bit. And then you jump out more, because you have the lift is good, but the squat is not deep enough. So then you have to give it into a good timing, obviously. Because like you said, you're happy with the curvature, which is way better. I'm also quite happy with your height, but like you're not super happy with the club speed. And even if you want to hit it longer, attack angle 1 degree up is not extreme. So it's not Rory, So if you say, okay, what I want to have a bit more speed, and I want to have maybe a bit more hitting more up to the ball in the attack angle. So to squat and then to go out, just helps you a little bit more to create speed.
Okay.
But it's good. Just it's overcook it.
Okay.
For your feeling like that, you really like that your low point is roughly about 4 inches before the ball.
Okay.
Yeah. So because you going up and the one really important thing is you squat. If your squatting is good and you're not pulling, if that part of the shoulder is not pulling the shoulder blade up and around, the nice squat doesn't equal into the good movement. So you want to have you squat in, you go out, and that shoulder blades pull the handle up and around. Okay, you said, I know you're not happy with the club face, but it was at least it was more club speed. So just the next time, just try to be more open, rotated already. So you jump in, but you upper torso and that handle, and you can really extend it. You have like a big radius into the finishing. Attack change in the right direction. And you gained to your average shots roughly 8 yards. So that's not that bad. So and the squat now. So we said we want to have 6. So you had the squat now. You had the squat, and the timing for the lift was way better. So lift is later, obviously, but it's just later because you need to get out. So it takes time. Okay. So now you try again the same, and you'd really open the chest as well. Open the chest and extend, yes. Let's not overcook. You can be extreme. The only thing I want to see now, 98 there.
All right.
I want to see 98. It turns more left, I think, than you want. Yes.
Yeah.
I like the squat. Just here, the club is high. That's here. The top speed of the hands are here. Now the top speed of the hands are here with the squat, and then it goes around. So you fire them earlier.
Ah,
98.
that is.
Damn! I should have said 100. I just gave the wrong goal. Because of the amount of squat, yeah, was able to, first of all, then the timing of the lift was better, yeah, and that helped to change the attack angle. So now we not only changed the club speed, also interesting because of the change of the attack angle, the ball speed would change significant, yeah, because that's like literally now 10 yards more carry, yeah, in 3 shots. That's quite good. And it's 10 yards more carry plus more roll, so I'm pretty happy with that. So and the change of the data points is, you see here now, you really squat, it's 5 centimeters, so you hit the number. We said we want to see 5 centimeter squat. Yeah. So now, so it's P5, that's like on the bottom, it's perfect. I love that. And now your lift goes short before P7, you really accelerate through impact.
Okay.
That's pretty nice.
Okay.
You can really live with that.
That's good. Sweet.
Good
Thank
job.
you. Thanks. Yeah, thanks for the help.
I mean, you know 3D, you have a history being in 3D, working with 3D systems. So what was your first impression now working with the camera base with the ELVA system?
I think my biggest thing right now is like you don't have to get on all those cables and you're just super easy to set up. Like as a player, I feel like it's super nice and you kind of swing right away. I mean, yeah, there are a lot of numbers, but I think that's why you explain them to me, which is good. So you just pick a few, because I would look at it and be like, okay, what's the thing? And kind of like the, especially when we talked about to see the chart of like, or a graph about like the squat and the lift, kind of, I feel like it makes, for me, from a perspective, how I look at it, I can feel like I see it a little better and understand it better.
Very good. Thank you much. Thank you for your time. Hopefully you can take that feeling, that idea on the golf course.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome.
You get in some more par 5s and 2.
Yeah. Thanks, Gregor. Appreciate it.
Thanks.